Kwimozulu ebintle Gqeberha, iintshatsheli zamazwe ngamazwe zikhuphisene kukhuphiswano olubizwa ngokuba yi-Ironman African Championship ngenxa yokusingathwa kwelizwekazi. UMatthew Marquardt wase-USA ufike kuqala ezintanjeni emva kweeyure ezisixhenxe ezinemizuzu engama-42 kunye nemizuzwana engama-57. Eli xesha awugqibe ngalo lo mdyarho limenze wayintshatsheli yolu khuphiswano kwicala lamadoda. UMarquardt uthi kubalulekile ukuzilungiselela.
So to be able to work through those and still come out on top with the performance I did, I'm super happy with. And now I get to enjoy a little bit of South Africa a little bit more for the next couple of days before I head back to the US. Yeah, I mean, I certainly wasn't the happiest to have lost the front group in the swim, and so that was one thing that I wish had gone a little better. And then I also had some problems on the bike where I lost my nutrition actually twice. Once I actually turned around and had to go get a bottle because it had fallen off. So to be able to overcome some of those things and still put everything together, I'm super happy with it. The course is obviously spectacular. I think it's what we would say a very honest course, and that it's very challenging, and it really makes sure that the best athlete, I believe, comes out on top. The swim, anytime you have an open water swim, that's obviously very challenging, and the course here, especially with the, southerly wind for most of the bike and the challenging road, I think made for a really tough but also very fun bike course for someone that's stronger on the bike.
Kwicala basetyhini uDesai Davis waseGreat Britain uphumele ngeeyure ezisibhozo ezinemizuzu engama-46 nemizuzwana engama-30. Le ntshatsheli iphefumle yenjenje.
I'm tired, and I'm not gonna lie. I knew I would be probably at the front or near the front coming out the swim. I had to just use that momentum through the rest of the race, and I did struggle a bit on the back end of the run, but overall really pleased to take the win, and I can carry this momentum forward throughout the season, hopefully. I was almost trying to work out in my head how slow I'd need to run for them to catch me, and I think that was quite a good motivation. I knew that I had enough time in the bank to hold on for the win. I'm just, really happy. I was after a Kona slot, and I really wanted to experience South Africa. I've not been here before, and so far it's been really good. The community is really welcoming, and the course was great, and the support on the course, really kept me going, I think. It was strong, a strong small field, I think, but it was really good to get in the mix and race girls I've not raced before. We'll see, but definitely keen to come back at some point.
Usodolophu weNelson Mandela Bay Babala Lobishe uthi kuphuhlisa uqoqosho ukusingatha umsitho wezinga le-Ironman nesele isingathwe amatyeli angama-21 ngesi sixeko.
We are excited because our participants have increased to over 3,000, and as well with the economic injection, which is in the last financial year was 87 million in the whole processes of the event. We are hopeful that it's going to increase as participants have increased. We know the city has been abuzz since the beginning of the week. The economic injection is quite enormous, seated at 87 million. And we are quite aware that there are those even who have booked for 4 nights overstay, which are 20,000 plus participants, and those who are coming with the participants. The misunderstanding on the inclusion of the locals is, I think what we need to clarify first is that this is an international event hosted by our city, and it does not prohibit any local people from participating in the triathlon. And as well, the beneficiation on the value chain is mostly local people. If you talk to the vendors are local, those who are in the arts and culture space, your dancers, traditional groups, they are all local people. The lifesavers are all from local people. So the value chain is maximized upon by the local people.
Umdyarho olandelayo Ironman African Championship uza kuba ngomhla wesi-7 kwinyanga yeSilimela KwaZulu-Natal. Kwiindaba ze-MBK TV, ndinguLinge Gcwabe eGqeberha.